folks. We're talking about who can recover in a fatal accident in South Carolina. If you lose a loved one in an accident, it's called a wrongful death case. To protect the rights of those who typically need the settlement the most, South Carolina law sets out how the settlement is divided. The victim's will is not a factor. Basically, the settlement is divided like this in the typical case. If there's a surviving spouse, the surviving spouse gets 1/2 as long as there's children. If there are no children, the surviving spouse gets it all. For children, they get 1/2 if there's a surviving spouse. Think of it this way. If an accident claims the life of a husband and father of 3, the wife gets half the settlement while the children equally split the other half. If there is no surviving spouse, the children get it all. There may be another part of the case called a survival action. That covers the victim's conscious pain and suffering, medical bills, and the funeral bill. That money is part of the victim's estate. It has to go through probate. After that, the rest gets paid according to the victim's will. If there is no will, it gets paid out according to probate law, which is a lot like the wrongful death settlement splits we just discussed. If ever there was a case to get legal help on, it's this one. You need it done well, and you need it done right by an attorney you trust. If you've got questions about a wrongful death case, feel free to fill out our Get Help Now form or just call our office, and you'll get answers to your questions from an experienced wrongful death attorney. I thank you for thinking about this with me, and I hope I see you soon.